Welcome to HVAC official channel. Today we are talking about WindowAC. 10 critical questions that every HVAC technician must know. These questions cover everything: construction, working, components, troubleshooting. If you want to master WindowAC, watch this video till the end. Question 1. What is a WindowAC and how is it different from a split AC? This is the most basic question every technician must answer correctly. A WindowAC is a single unit system. Everything is inside one box: compressor, condenser, evaporator, fan motor, all in one housing. It is installed directly in a window or a wall opening. The front side faces inside the room and blows cold air. The back side faces outside and releases hot air. A split AC has two separate units, indoor unit and outdoor unit, connected by copper pipes. WindowAC is simpler, cheaper, and easier to install. But split AC gives better cooling and is quieter. WindowAC is perfect for small rooms and single-room cooling. Question 2. What are the main components of a WindowAC? Every technician must know the parts inside a WindowAC. There are 8 main components. Number 1, compressor. The heart of the WindowAC. It compresses the refrigerant gas and pumps it through the system. In WindowAC, a hermetic reciprocating or rotary compressor is used. Number 2, condenser coil. Located at the back of the unit, facing outside. It releases heat from the refrigerant to the outside air. Made of copper tubes and aluminum fins. Number 3, evaporator coil. Located at the front of the unit, facing inside the room. It absorbs heat from the room air. Made of copper tubes and aluminum fins. Number 4, capillary tube. This is the metering device in most WindowACs. It replaces the expansion valve in simple WindowAC systems. It reduces the pressure and temperature of the refrigerant. Number 5, fan motor. One single fan motor drives 2 fans in a WindowAC. The indoor fan, called centrifugal fan, blows cold air into the room. The outdoor fan, called axial fan, blows air over the condenser. Both fans run on the same motor shaft. Number 6, thermostat. The temperature controller of the WindowAC. You set the desired temperature on the thermostat. It turns the compressor on and off to maintain that temperature. Number 7, air filter. Made of non-woven fabric or synthetic fiber. It filters dust and dirt from the room air. Must be cleaned every 2 weeks for best performance. Number 8, capacitor. Helps the compressor and fan motor to start and run. A weak or dead capacitor is one of the most common problems. Question 3. How does a WindowAC work? Explain the complete working cycle. This is the most important technical question. The WindowAC works on the basic refrigeration cycle in 4 steps. Step 1. Compressor compresses the low-pressure refrigerant gas. It becomes high-pressure and very hot gas. Step 2. This hot gas goes to the condenser coil at the back. The outdoor fan blows outside air over the condenser. Heat is released to the outside air. The refrigerant cools down and becomes liquid. Step 3. The liquid refrigerant passes through the capillary tube. Pressure drops suddenly. Refrigerant becomes very cold. Step 4. Cold refrigerant enters the evaporator coil at the front. The indoor fan pulls warm room air over the evaporator coil. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the room air. Room air becomes cold and is blown back into the room. The refrigerant evaporates back into gas, and the cycle repeats. Question 4. What is a capillary tube and why is it used in WindowAC instead of an expansion valve? This is a very important technical question. A capillary tube is a very thin and long copper tube. It is used as the metering device in WindowAC systems. Its inner diameter is very small, usually 0.5 to 2 millimeters. When refrigerant passes through this thin tube, pressure drops suddenly due to friction and restriction. This pressure drop causes the temperature to drop too. The refrigerant becomes cold and ready to enter the evaporator. Why capillary tube instead of expansion valve? Because WindowAC is a simple, low-cost system. Capillary tube has no moving parts. It never needs adjustment. It is cheap, reliable, and maintenance-free. Expansion valves are used in larger and more complex systems. The only problem with capillary tube is it cannot adjust refrigerant flow like an expansion valve. So the refrigerant charge must be exactly correct. Question 5. What refrigerant is used in WindowAC, and what happens if gas is low? Most older WindowACs use R22 refrigerant. Most modern WindowACs now use R410A or R32 refrigerant. R22 is being phased out worldwide because it damages the ozone layer. R410A and R32 are more eco-friendly options. Very important point. WindowAC uses a capillary tube as metering device. Capillary tube systems are critically sensitive to refrigerant charge. Too much gas or too little gas both cause serious problems. Signs of low refrigerant in WindowAC. Number 1. AC is running but not cooling the room. Number 2. Ice forming on the evaporator coil inside. Number 3. Hissing or bubbling sound from the unit. Number 4. Electricity bill goes up, but cooling goes down. If gas is low, there is always a leak somewhere. Find a leak first, fix it, then recharge the gas. Never just add gas without finding and fixing the leak. Question 6. What is the most common problem in WindowAC, and how do you troubleshoot it? There are 5 most common WindowAC problems every technician must know. Problem 1. AC not cooling. Check the air filter first. It may be dirty and blocking airflow. Check the thermostat setting. Make sure it is on cool mode. Check the capacitor. A weak capacitor stops the compressor from starting. Check refrigerant level. Low gas means no cooling. Problem 2. AC not turning on. Check the power supply first. Check the circuit breaker. It may have tripped. Check the selector switch. It may be faulty. Check the thermostat. It may be defective. Problem 3. Water leaking inside the room. The drain pan or drain hole is blocked. Clean the drain pan and clear the drain hole. Also check if the unit is tilted correctly. WindowAC must tilt slightly backward so water drains outside. Problem 4. Loud noise from unit. Check if the fan blades are hitting something. Check if the unit is properly secured in the window. Loose screws or panels can cause rattling noise. Problem 5. Ice forming on evaporator coil. Dirty air filter is blocking airflow. Clean it immediately. Low refrigerant gas is also a common cause. Turn off the AC, let the ice melt, then fix the root cause. Question 7. What is the role of the fan motor in a WindowAC, and how do you test it? The fan motor in a WindowAC is very special. One single motor drives 2 fans at the same time. The motor shaft extends from both sides. One side drives the indoor centrifugal fan that blows cold air into the room. The other side drives the outdoor axial fan, which blows air over the condenser. If the fan motor fails, both fans stop working. The compressor will overheat very quickly without the fans. How to test the fan motor. Step 1. Set your multimeter to resistance mode. Step 2. Check resistance between the motor terminals. Normal reading means the motor windings are good. Open circuit or very high resistance means the motor is burnt. Step 3. Check if the motor shaft spins freely by hand. If it is stiff or seized, the motor bearings are bad. Replace the motor. Step 4. Check the capacitor first before replacing the motor. Many times the motor is good, but a weak capacitor stops it from running. Always test the capacitor before condemning the motor. Question 8. What is the thermostat in WindowAC, and how does it work? The thermostat is the brain and controller of the WindowAC. In older window ACs, a mechanical thermostat is used. It has a sensing bulb filled with refrigerant gas. This sensing bulb is placed near the evaporator coil. When room temperature is high, the gas in the bulb expands. This expansion closes the electrical contacts. The compressor turns on and cooling starts. When room reaches the set temperature, the gas contracts. The contacts open. Compressor turns off. In modern window ACs, an electronic thermostat or thermistor is used. It works with the PCB control board to control the compressor. Common thermostat problems? If thermostat is stuck closed, compressor runs non-stop. Room gets too cold. If thermostat is stuck open, compressor never starts. No cooling. Test the thermostat with a multimeter in continuity mode. Question 9. What is the selector switch in window AC and what are its functions? The selector switch is the main control switch of a window AC. It is the knob or button panel on the front of the unit. It controls different modes and fan speeds. Common selector switch positions. Position 1, off. Unit is completely off. Position 2, fan low. Only fan runs at low speed, no cooling. Position 3, fan high. Only fan runs at high speed, no cooling. Position 4, cool low. Compressor runs with fan at low speed. Position 5, cool high. Compressor runs with fan at high speed. If the selector switch is faulty, the unit may not start, or may not switch between modes correctly. How to test the selector switch. Use a multimeter in continuity mode. Check continuity between the switch terminals at each position. If any position shows no continuity, the switch is faulty. Replace it. Question 10. How do you properly service and maintain a window AC? Regular service and maintenance is very important for window AC. Follow these steps for a complete window AC service. Step 1. Switch off the power completely before starting. Safety first, always. Step 2. Remove the front panel and take out the air filter. Wash the filter with clean water. Let it dry completely before putting it back. Step 3. Clean the evaporator coil carefully. Use a soft brush or coil cleaner spray. Dirty evaporator coil reduces cooling efficiency greatly. Step 4. Pull the unit out and clean the condenser coil at the back. Use a water spray or soft brush. Clear all dust and debris from the condenser fins. Step 5. Check the drain pan and drain hole. Clean any algae or dirt blocking the drain hole. A blocked drain causes water to leak inside the room. Step 6. Check and clean the fan blades. Dirty fan blades reduce airflow and cooling. Step 7. Check all electrical connections. Look for any loose wires or burnt connections. Step 8. Check the capacitor with a multimeter or capacitor tester. Replace if weak or dead. Step 9. Switch on the unit and check the running current. Compare with the nameplate current rating. Step 10. Check the supply air temperature and return air temperature. Delta T should be 16 to 22 degrees Fahrenheit for good performance. Do this service every 3 to 6 months for best results. That is all for today, guys. Now you know the 10 critical window AC questions. Every HVAC technician must master these. Master all 10, and you will be a true window AC expert. If this video helped you, please like and share. Share with every HVAC student and technician. Subscribe to HVAC official channel.